How to get Roblox voice chat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get Roblox voice chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Roblox. You can head over to roblox.com or simply open up the Roblox app. After you've done that, you will need to log in into your account. So log in into your account. And after you've done that, you will see a settings icon on the top right here. Tap on the settings icon and head over to settings. On the settings page, you'll find your account information. So what you'll need to keep in mind is that you will need to have your email address and then your phone number verified. Whichever you are using, just verify that. After you've verified your contact information, what you can do is head over to the privacy and content restrictions. There you'll find the communication section. Tap on that. And there you'll see experience chat. You can tap on that. Make sure all of these are turned on for everyone. Then the same goes for party, do that as well, and the camera input. So here you can turn this on. And also, as I said, you will need to have your, you know, account verified for this. And also, you might find a voice option right here. So that is the voice communication. Tap on that and enable that as well. After doing that, you will have enabled or you will get the voice chat on Roblox. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.